So you're here in the United States, you came through the US border, they took your passport, and now you're left with no form of identification. Hi, my name is Nayoshi T. Guerrero, owner operator here for you, Immigration. Call me Chin, because my name hard to pronounce. Now, with that being said, what is it that I do? I own an operator, immigration consultant business. I sign out the paperwork for every immigration case. I cannot represent you in court proceeding. I am not a lawyer. Nothing should be taken as legal advice. Now, you're coming a fine. All your identification was taken from you. They only left you with some set of paper when you left the detention center. I want to open a bank account. I want to get a driver's license. I want to get a passport. What is it that I can do, Chin? Now, there are some states here in the United States that are very friendly when it comes to undocumented immigrants, when it comes to immigrants overall. I'm here in California. California is one of the largest states that are immigrant friendly. You have New York, you have Oregon, and you have other states which I'll try probably put on the screen somewhere or in the description below. Find one of these states that give identification to persons who are undocumented. Some of you have a birth paper back home. Send back home. If you have a Jamaican or your home country identification, the voter's ID, take that with you. Where you're going to apply is the DMV, Department of Motor Vehicle. When you go to the DMV, this is a place where tailored to giving persons identification, driver's license, clear car title. Get all of these documents. The more proof of identity you have, the better. Now the passport is out of it. Do not reapply back for your passport. Me tired of una ask me. Don't go back and apply for the passport. That's a no-no. That's a violation. Don't apply back for the passport. You don't even need it. Right? So what you're going to do is try to get ID from these states. For example, you're in California. In order to get a California driver's license or ID that's tailored to undocumented immigrants, you need to show proof of residence. So Chin, can you show me that you live in California? Yes, I can. Here I have my sister living here, for example, that I rent a room from, and I'm paying $200 a week for the room. I can write up an affidavit and say, oh, my name is Chin, and I live in California, and I'm renting Chin's sister a room for $200, share bathroom, share kitchen. And if you want to step it up and that, bring it to the notary and sign it off in front of them. Right, that's a proof of residence. Some persons have health insurance where their health insurance card have their address on it. You can use that again as proof of residence. So that's two ways you can prove where you live. And this can be New York and California, any other states. You can find the state down in the comment. These states are states immigrant friendly. Safe to live, safe to get job if we find none available, and get IDs and stuff like that. Safe haven for undocumented immigrants. So you have the proof of residency already snatched. You understand? When it comes to identification, remember they take your passport. So how you can prove this is me? Birth certificate, original copy. If you have a picture of your passport, still take it with you. If you have a voter's ID from your home country, take that with you. If you have a library card, take that with you. And these are some of the things you can use. 4 things my list is going on. If you have a Jamaican or your home country driver's license, take that with you. And those are the things you need to bring to the DMV. Bring with you also the papers you got from the detention center, whether you get parole or you didn't get parole. You have the release documents. Take those with you. Explain to them when you enter the DMV, hi, my name is Chin Su. I came to the United States through the US border. I am seeking refuge here. It's very important I use these keywords. I'm seeking asylum here because my life is in danger in my home country. My passport was taken from me when I entered the US for my own safety. All they gave me was these papers. Some of the paper on the face, step on their own fingerprint to use as proof of identification. And I would like to obtain a state ID for immigrants or undocumented immigrants. Very important you use these words. Remember, saying everybody in America know nothing about run off in a foreign, so they will think that you have to have the passport. And here you find persons going to the DMV and getting discouraged because as somebody will sit down on the table, what set of government work at them, I tell you, so, oh, you need to have a passport, you need to have, use these keywords: immigrant, asylum, refugee, danger, passport. Use these words to show them the importance and how serious this is. And it shows that you're vulnerable. When I'm vulnerable, I'm sorry for you. You understand? And use these words and these documents to get an ID in the states that not every state, not tell nobody said chin tell us if we go at every state. Listen to what me I say, and every state do it. Go find the state, them will do it. Me I go drop them in the comment and let them know that you need an ID. When you get this ID, try get another ID. Again, the library, the ID card. Some of the library have a picture upon it. You can use these same documents when me tell you and go to the bank. Not every bank do this. TD Bank, Bank of America. Find the little flower bank them. I use these same set. You going to need 2 proof of ID. So you have the Jamaican ID and you have the new ID where you get now that the state there. That's 2 form of ID and the proof of residence. Use them if you open my bank account. No found they are far now, not a bank account. Because I feel like someone can't get it because them take on a passport. There's more to life than a damn passport that can't even bring you to 20, 50 good country. Not bashing Jamaica passport, but I'm just saying. Move around in a fine and stop limiting yourself. There's so many resources out there that can tell you how and show you how to get these things. To balance up yourself in a foreign green card or not. Now, that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it has been, comment as always, subscribe, like if you haven't, and share this to Smaddy when need the information. Again, if you have any paperwork you need help with, any RFE, filing for your family, filing for your spouse, need help with the asylum declaration, need help getting your US visa, and any other questions, consultations are always $50. You can always reach me on WhatsApp, text, and voice note only. I do not answer phone call at 510-910-1711. Thank you guys so much for watching.